What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get Revolut X. Also, for you to actually create a Revolut X account, you would already need to have your Revolut account. So if you don't have a Revolut account already, I will leave a sign up link in the description below, through which you will also get $40 once you sign up and transfer some funds to your account. But now let's get started and see how you can get Revolut X. Now first off, we would need to open our Play Store or our App Store. So from here go to search and just search Revolut X. So Revolut X is currently in early access mode, but you can still install it. So once you find your Revolut X app, just go ahead and click on it and just tap install right here. So at the moment Revolut X has only about 10,000 downloads and no reviews. But when you're installing this app, just be sure that the publishing company is Revolut Ltd. Now, once the app is installed, all you need to do is just click open right here. And from here, you can start with the account creation process or the login process. And that guys, how you can get or install Revolut X on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.